Hello everyone, it's Just a Dad. Let's do an unboxing on these Rhino retractable ratchet straps. So we get some stickers. Here's the actual strap, ratchet straps. I love Rhino ratchet straps. They come packaged very nice. They come in different colors. This is the green color. I like that their ends have these hooks on them. So you can hook them onto something and they're not gonna fall off. That side's permanently attached. You're gonna press this button. You can't just pull it, you're gonna press it so that this locks down. And now I can just pull it out. And then when I wanna retract it, just push it in. So you're gonna pull it out. And then when you want to retract, you gotta push this button and now it's just a ratcheting strap. It's gonna be nice and tight. All right, so you'll ratchet it down. When you need to release it, you're gonna press this button, the handle's gonna go down, and then it's gonna retract back. You gotta press the button for it to retract. We get 4 of these. We get some soft hooks and we get a nice bag. I really like the bag. I really do like keeping things organized and the bag really helps me. This is a nice bag. And again, these are kind of like soft straps, kind of like a hook, a loop on each end. If you need to put it around something or over something. So I hope this unboxing video helped. Thanks everybody for watching.